Hello, friends. Today we'll learn about the role of fiber in our digestion. Our food contains three types of nutrients: carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Among these nutrients, carbohydrates play a very important role in our body. Carbohydrates are of two types, simple and complex. Simple carbohydrates are sugars which are made up of one or two sugar molecules. An example is glucose. Complex carbohydrates are made up of long chains of sugar molecules. An example is starch. Now, how do we get these carbohydrates into our body? We get them from the food we eat, such as rice, wheat, pulses, lentils, fruits, and vegetables. On an average, we need about 300 grams of carbohydrates per day. But did you know that only 50 to 70 grams of these carbohydrates are absorbed by our body? What happens to the rest? Rest of the carbohydrates, which are not absorbed, reach our large intestine intact. Here, they are fermented by our gut bacteria. This produces short-chain fatty acids, which are further utilized by our body for various functions. But there's another very important thing that happens in the large intestine. The fermentation also produces gases like carbon dioxide, hydrogen, nitrogen, and methane. Now, these gases are normally expelled through the rectum. But when there is more gas than usual in the intestines, what do you think will happen? That's right. It will result in bloating. So how can we avoid this? By providing the gut bacteria with more fiber. Fiber is a type of carbohydrate that cannot be digested by our body, but it is a great food for our gut bacteria. There are two types of fibers, soluble and insoluble. Soluble fiber is like a net that traps the sugar molecules and prevents them from getting absorbed too quickly in our blood. Insoluble fiber adds bulk to our stools and makes them easier to pass out. So where do we get these fibers from? We get them from the plant foods we eat, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. On an average, we need about 30 to 40 grams of fiber per day. When we eat a balanced diet containing these foods, our gut bacteria get enough fiber to ferment. This keeps our digestion healthy and prevents bloating. If you want your food to be easily digestible, then make sure you include plenty of fiber in your diet. Fruits and vegetables are the richest source of fiber. They not only prevent constipation and bloating, but also help reduce the risk of developing colon cancer. So friends, if you want to keep your digestive system healthy, then eat a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. These foods will provide you with enough fiber to keep your digestion healthy. That's all for today, friends. I hope you liked this video. If you really did, then please like and subscribe. Also, feel free to comment with any suggestions. Thank you for your kind support.